Hi guys, 21. Today my name is Ariel.
No, your name is Veronica.
No, my name is Ariel.
Why?
Because I'm Ariel from Princesses.
You're wearing a lovely costume.
Look at this. Thank you.
What's that?
It's
have a look.
fizzing up bath.
Bath fizzes.
Bath fizzes and smell beautiful.
So they're gonna fizz like a Coca-Cola.
Can somebody open this for me?
Yeah, we'll open it.
I can't open it.
Do you want to put the little tiny mermaid, what's her name?
Ariel.
Ariel into the little water tank. Yes?
This
No. She won't swim like this. That. Oh my goodness. Oh. Oh, look at her. Yay, proper mermaids.
Whoa.
Look. Oh, she's standing. Oh my goodness. Oh, she's stuck. Wait.
Oh.
Get her a little bit high. Yeah. Get her up a bit. Oh, maybe she's gonna turn a bit. Ooh, she's going crazy. Look. Turning, twisting.
There was my crown at the top.
It's like a gymnastic challenge. Look at her.
It's like my crown on her because I got a crown.
Yeah. Let me see your hair. Your hair is gorgeous. Is that your hair?
Do another one.
Yeah, please. Just wipe it a bit because we haven't got the warm water there. It's just a bit cold.
We fill up the water and some Nemo stickers. We're going to put the mermaid in and see all of the fizzing up in my brother's storage. Gonna help. Woo! We're going to get started. The dark purple. I'm going to start with the dark purple.
Oh, look how fast she goes.
With the dark purple first. Right, we're going to take the plastic off.
Slowly.
Some down here. No, not down there. It's working!
Let your brother help you.
Put down there! Look, she's got.
Okay.
Now,
Is it empty now?
yeah, now I have to wait a little bit longer. Ooh. It's already starting colours already. Amazing. Not to put them out.
Look at this.
Oh, look at some of that. That's a circle. Yeah, all
Oh,
one.
she banged her head.
Look at her.
So that's your sister, isn't it?
Yeah.
Hey, look, it's my home. Seashells.
Look.
A reef.
Look.
Look at me.
Oh, some of my little now.
Beautiful.
Give me it.
Okay, so thank you for watching, Veronica. What are you saying?
Thanks for watching.